Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set Brave Search as your default. Okay. As you can see here, I'm currently using Google. So whenever I type down a query, for example, 1+1, Google right here will be the default search engine. Now to change it to Brave, all you got to do is just go ahead over to settings. Now to do so, go to the top right, click on 3 horizontal lines, click on settings right here. Now the left panel, we have a search engine. Click on it. As you can see here, we have the normal window and the private window. Okay, to change it, click on change for normal window. And here we have Brave. So just click on Brave and hit on set as default and you're good to go. If you want to change it for Tor or private windows or incognito mode, click on change right here and just use Brave and just click on set as default. Okay. Now once that's done, go ahead and test it out and you should be able to see, instead of Google right here, Brave icon will show up and it will now be using the Brave search engine as your default search engine. Okay. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.